Classic of Tea, the earliest known book on tea, discusses topics like tea cultivation, processing, appreciation, brewing techniques, and the proper use of tea sets. It is considered a remarkable work that offers deep insights into the tea-drinking customs of the Chinese population. So, what qualifies Liu Yu to write on this subject? Was he a tea farmer? In fact, Liu Yu was an orphan raised in a monastery by monk Zhiji, the abbot of Longai Temple. However, he did not wish to become a monk himself and was devoted to Confucian principles. He worked as a servant at the temple and dedicated himself to studying the I Ching. While working at the monastery, Liu Yu became well acquainted with tea since it was a regular part of the monks' daily lives. The practice of tea drinking and cultivation became important for their meditation, especially as Buddhism was embraced as a state religion during the Tang Dynasty. To cater to the monks' needs for tea, many temples established their own tea gardens. The Tang era saw a flourishing of Buddhism in China, with over 3,000 monasteries established. The legendary tale of the Monkey King is based on the actual pilgrimage of Xuanzang, a Tang Dynasty Buddhist monk who spent 16 years in India, gathering and translating over 600 Sanskrit Buddhist texts. Tea and Buddhism continued to evolve together until the Song Dynasty, marking over 500 years of strong cultural development.